We're down here. Hi, I'm Chuck.
And I'm Cheryl.
Welcome to our We Are Mud Fun channel. We have over 350 videos on our channel.
Yeah, we've been at it for a while.
So we wanted to give first-time visitors an idea of what we cover here. So we're making this trailer video just for them on our YouTube homepage. Why? Because our channel is diversified. We have scrunched it down into 3 topics though.
Adventures, how-tos, and reviews.
And if you see a video that you like, chances are it could be in a playlist with other videos just like it.
And there may be links in the description box down below the videos of anything that we cover in the videos.
And if you don't want to see this trailer, every time you come out to our homepage, click the subscribe button, then click the bell. You'll be notified every time we put out a new video. And this video will magically disappear for you from our homepage.
So sit back, kick your feet up, and relax.
And thanks for stopping by. We appreciate it.
Bye!